How do slitting machines work in metal manufacturing? What are slitting machines? Metal slitting machines utilize hardened rotary knives to continuously cut or slit coiled material as it feeds through at high speeds. This is done by mounting circular slitting blades onto arbors oriented above and below the uncoiling metal strip. With extreme accuracy, the sharp circular knives rotate at surface feet per minute, optimized for clean shearing through steel, stainless steel, aluminum, and various metal alloys. The process of slitting metal coils. Feeding the coil strip through at a regulated speed is essential for precision cutting results. The basic process involves throughout, operators monitor the process through HMI touchscreens and automated feedback that tracks necessary parameters like slit width/gauge dimensions, tension levels, recoil diameters, and production speed. Next, we will show you how Kingriel's workers use the slitting machine. Types of slitting machines. Dual slitter head coil slitting machine. This production line is equipped with two slitting knife holders, allowing for knife arrangement on one side while slitting is performed on the other, enabling quick switching and significantly improving slitting efficiency. Simple slitting machine. Unlike the standard model, the simple slitting machine has a smaller footprint and is suitable for light-duty coiled materials ranging from 0.2 to 3.0 mm thick. It ensures slitting accuracy while meeting customer production needs. Belt tensioning station coil slitting line. Providing protection to the surface of the coiled material, the belt tensioning station effectively improves the accuracy of the coiled material. Advantages of slitting machines. There are significant benefits to incorporating slitting machinery in your manufacturing or pre-manufacturing processes, including cost savings. Slitting is far faster max speed 200 meter per minute and cheaper per pound versus cutting sheets or alternate saw methods requiring extensive labor, time, and blade costs. Customization. Precision rotary slitters produce coils in specialized widths and thickness tailored to customers' roll forming and component size needs. Accuracy. Extremely tight width and edge tolerances enable the sheared metal to feed directly into precision stamping and machining tools. By providing such size/gauge flexibility, precision tolerance capabilities, effective waste reduction, and reliability improvements over other cutting methods, slitting systems deliver major throughput and quality gains. Kingriel offers comprehensive one-stop slitting machine manufacturing solutions. From customized planning to raw materials and final production, Kingriel possesses a complete system for design and manufacturing, ensuring transparency and precision throughout the entire process from start to finish. Partnering with Kingriel, you will leverage our high-performance equipment to produce high-precision products and gain a crucial competitive edge in the market. We provide machine solutions tailored to your production needs. With a genuine focus on your requirements, Kingriel transforms bold ideas into industry-changing products. To date, Kingriel has successfully established after-sales networks in Europe. The Middle East. South America. Southeast Asia, and other regions, maintaining strong collaborative relationships with our clients. Contact us now to experience the exceptional value of a true manufacturing partner.